Hi, I'm Oscar.
And I'm Dave.
And we're the founders of Thimble. Thimble is a monthly subscription service that delivers an orange box to your doorstep. Each box contains components and instructions to build a specific kind of device, a fun toy, or something useful. Our learning app has step-by-step tutorials to help you build what's inside the kit from scratch. Thimble is for anyone who considers themselves a maker. For kids, it could be for a high school or college student, a young programmer who wants to get into hardware. It could be a parent who may be an engineer who has kids, wants to create that nice bonding experience of creating something from scratch. Or it can be for a retired engineer. People want to be creative, but they don't always have the right project ideas, the right components, or even the knowledge to build everything all together. So what we do is we bring that to you in one package, basically, so it's convenient for you to get started right from home.
So our first kit is a little robot, basically. So it's got 16 parts. It's got motors, wheels, a little platform, Wi-Fi module. If you go on our website, we have a companion learning app to take you through how to build the robot. So we have videos and pictures, photos, GIFs, all that kind of thing to guide you through how to learn to solder, how to put the robot together, how to program it, and how to program an Android and iOS app so that you can control the robot from your phone, your tablet, or any other device.
I've been coding for many years, and I love to create cool things by writing code. So when I discovered Thimble, I got to learn how hardware and software work together, and I got to play with Arduino and Raspberry Pi robots. And I think this experience in working with hardware and software is great for coders and developers of any skill level.
I was fortunate enough to meet Oscar and David earlier this year through Megan Smith, White House CTO. They told me about what they were trying to do, and it really resonated with me because at the Boys and Girls Clubs of Buffalo, we're trying to bring 21st century skills like coding and engineering to our members.
If people want to learn electronics, they can buy a variety of kits out there. I think that's one of the problems, is that people are overwhelmed by the number of kits that are out there, and there's nothing really offering a guided path to learn.
We've been working on this project for almost a year. We've developed our hardware and our software prototypes. Now all we need is your help to make this project happen.
We're finally at a point where we have our prototype kits ready to be manufactured, but there are a few steps that we need to take care of before we get to that point. Sourcing the parts, shipping, fulfillment. I mean, there are quite a few things that need to be done, and we won't be able to do that without the right amount of capital. So we're using a Kickstarter to basically make that a reality.
For some people, this will be the first robot they've ever made, and we really hope that this will inspire you to make more things in the future.
Our biggest goal is to teach people electronics, get them to a point where they feel confident building their own projects without a Thimble kit. I think the day that they're able to do that, I think we'll have done our job.